Good afternoon, afternoon. We are out here with the chickens right now, giving everybody fresh water. I gave the goats and the clips and everybody fresh water yesterday, and the other rabbits. So today is the chickens' turn. We're eating and drinking water. I'm filling up the ducks' pool, cleaned it out. Domino. Hey, Domino. Midnight's running around here somewhere. Just getting things tidied up and touched up around here. We got to go up to the dumpster here in a little while. Throw some things away, some feed bags and stuff like that from feeding all the animals. But we're about to go over and feed the goats and all of that. Had something very unfortunate happen last night when I went out there to do the feeding. Cinnamon, the baby, Coco's baby, has passed away. It wasn't really a surprise to me. She hasn't been right really since she's been born. She's been a little bit bloated and stuff. I've warmed her and done some other things, and but she's never really had energy, and she's always had like a hard time breathing. Like she's never acted like she was breathing correctly. I've noticed it, Mike's noticed it, and everything. But I mean, every once in a while she'd run around and act like she was going to be fine, so I've been keeping my eye on her. And unfortunately, she did pass yesterday. So that is the first goat here on the homestead that did not make it. Speaking of Coco, I don't know if you can see her right there, but she's on her way over here because she thinks there's about to be some groceries. All the other ones are still in the pen, but somehow Coco has gotten out. What are you doing, Coco? I didn't leave no pellets on the ground for you over here with the chickens. How's it going? Coming over here to scratch. You can see where it's been in right there. She likes to scratch. No pellets. See. Alright, so the ducks' water is full. They're good to go. Ducks make such a big mess. Go ahead and fill up the backup water over here so I don't have to turn the hose on every time I come over here, because the ducks will waste that whole 5 gallons of water in one day, even though I got a pool in there with them. They are messy drinkers. They like to clean out their beaks and stuff, and instead of using the pool, they use the chicken water. But they'll be getting separated here soon, as soon as I get the new chicken structure built. I'm gonna go ahead and separate the ducks and the chickens because the ducks are messy. What you eating there, Coco? Almost full. Those little extra 5-gallon little water bottle things that I got in all the different areas, they help out a lot whenever you don't have water. Spigots ran all around your property and you're dragging hoses. They definitely make it to where you don't have to do it every day. Don't let me get hung up. I'm almost there. Almost. Oh, I got hung up. Close. Go ahead and get this one filled up too, before I shut the water off. Sorry, y'all looking at my nose. Awesome. My truck is filthy. It's looking good around here though. It's getting there. Of course, Domino's coming. He's not going to stay away too long. Go ahead and go shut the water off so I don't forget, because I've done that before. It has not been as hot the last 2 days, which I'm very, very thankful for. Water's almost full. Shut it off. Domino, let's go feed everybody else. Grass is still green, but it's definitely getting drier. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, unless that changes. So hopefully the grass will get a little bit of rain that it needs. I hear you, Chanel. I know you know I'm out here feeding, making all that noise. Chanel, still very loud. I'm surprised you didn't get out with Coco. I know it. You done stood on top of the hay, so I can hear you all the way across the property, huh? Yeah, I know it. I know it. See, Eclipse has already been in the pool and one of the waterers. I don't know why you get in the waterers. You get in the waterers whenever I got you a whole pool there. What? What? You're supposed to be inside to get pellets there, Miss Thing. Old Coco following around the grocers. You want some food, Eclipse? You ready to eat? Rabbits are over there hanging out. I like this area because it's shaded the whole time. That's why I haven't moved anybody yet. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. You done knocked your bowl over. Or you want to go in? Are you going to stay in? Go ahead, greedy butt. All about the groceries. I got to pause y'all for a second and put this back up. All right, back to work. You want some food? There you go. There you go. I know you're a shy eater. I hear you over there. Be hot. You didn't eat all your food. I did give you a lot yesterday though. Still got a lot of water too. Wasn't as hot today. Wasn't as hot. Domino, how come you don't do the chores? How come you don't do it for me, Domino? What are you doing, Gandalf? What are you doing, buddy? You need some water. You need some water, parkour. All you're going to do is dump your food over there. Mama, you're smushing the baby. What are you doing, Mama? Did you hear that, Eclipse? You was all concerned, huh? Such a good girl. You're like, what was that noise? Are you a guard dog for rabbits too? Yeah? Eclipse is such a good girl. What are you doing, babies? Was Mama smushing you? Mama smushing you? Alright, let me fill up the waters real quick. Alright, everybody's watered and fed. The baby bunnies are getting huge. Eclipse is still over here trying to figure out what that sound was. Let's go, Domino. Let's go feed Midnight. Too far away either, guys. I know, I was just talking about you. I was just talking about you. You want to say good morning? Yeah? Yeah? You want some food? Come on. Let's go get some food. I bet you she follows. Here she comes. She knows I always feed her after I get through feeding all the other ones. Midnight's came a long ways. But I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up, guys. I'm going to get Midnight fed. And move the water for the other rabbits over there, get their water changed out. They got a date here real soon, probably the end of the next week. I'm gonna have to go ahead and take care of that. It's like Midnight might still have some food. She does. Yep. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a great weekend. Do something fun. Hang out with your family. Take another step closer to your goals. But keep it real. Come on.